Open house!
I think that everyone was very friendly, everyone was very helpful. There was lots of stuff going on, but they made time for everyone, so that was really good. I think it's really important. I think it's for the confidence and for you not being so nervous in a new town or something like that.
But I was surprised at how friendly everybody was, how nice everything looks around here actually. I asked him a few questions about paramedic and he showed me to Cody, and Cody pretty much answered all my questions exactly what I needed to know. I am very excited to start here as soon as I can.